I'm Rick Edgman, and I serve as the Research Director at the Shingo Institute. I'll be teaching a workshop on Six Sigma innovation. Six Sigma innovation focuses predominantly on what is called the DMAIC algorithm or DMAIC approach. So the DMAIC approach is a very organized, highly structured, but with a lot of freedom inside the structure, approach to significantly improving, significantly changing existing products, processes, or systems. DMAIC is just an acronym. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. What we do within that structure is that within each step, DMAIC, we apply certain tools and techniques that are really strategically and tactically targeted at that significant sort of improvement that organizations need to make. It isn't so much 2 or 3% changes or improvements. We're looking for big breakthrough improvement levels anytime that we apply Six Sigma. We're looking for 15% improvement, 20% improvement, 40% improvement. The way that the workshop will proceed is that it will run 8 hours from 8 in the morning until 5 in the evening with about an hour lunch break in between. So what will happen is that we will start with a general overview of Six Sigma. We'll position Six Sigma in 3 areas. We'll look at it in relation to Lean, and we'll look at 2 aspects of Six Sigma. One of those is the aspect that we'll really attack during the workshop called innovation. That's approached through the so-called DMAIC algorithm that we've discussed. The other element, which we'll touch on only briefly, is the design for Six Sigma. So even though you will be specifically targeting DMAIC, the innovation aspect, nevertheless, you'll walk away with some tools and some techniques that are broadly applicable. They can be used in Lean, they can be used in design for Six Sigma, not just the innovation aspects. If you're asking the question of yourself, should I come to this? The realistic sort of answer is, what sorts of efforts do you think are required inside your organization to make it advance in the way that it really needs to advance? Do you have a strong quality culture? If you have some sort of performance excellence, business excellence, organizational excellence, enterprise excellence, whatever you call that, operational excellence approach in your organization, this will help you advance those efforts inside your organization. If you've heard about Six Sigma, if you've heard about the dramatic sorts of gains, the addition of billions of dollars to the bottom lines of many organizations, GE, Motorola, Raytheon, Oracle, many others that we could talk about, whether it's in healthcare, whether it's in manufacturing, whether it's in service industries, whether it's in government, then we can help you.